Alright, hey guys, this is Ankert Customs. We're just going to go ahead and show you one of our front strap kits here. So this is what you're going to get. This is the Ankert Customs 1911 Ultimate Front Strap Kit. You get two of the front straps. We're just going to be using one today. One of our business cards, as well as an instruction card that you can go ahead and follow. We're going to actually do the install today. We have our 1911, it's a Springfield operator. We already have it stripped down, magazine out. Everything's unloaded. And the grip panels are off. First thing we're going to want to do here is make sure we get our surface perfectly prepped. Usually use a soft brush. Take off any large amounts of debris, dirt, grime, anything like that. And we're just going to use a little bit of alcohol, some standard rubbing alcohol is what we use. Just make sure we get any of the grease, oil, CLP, whatever might be residing on there. You want to get the entire surface area of where our tape is going to lie. Just give that a couple seconds to dry out. Maybe brush it down a little bit, get some of the fuzzies from the towel that we used off. We want pretty much a zero barrier for this tape. Although the tape is a pretty simple idea, the more time you take in making sure this is perfectly clean, the better results you're going to get. It's going to last you a very long time. Okay, so we're pretty much good. I'm going to take our 1911 front strap here. You'll notice every front strap comes with the magazine notch already cut out. We laser CNC these exactly so they match up real nice right there with your magazine notch. The only problem is every manufacturer does this cut out differently, so you are going to have to cut and trace the exact outline for your front strap. Alright, this is what I was looking for. So we just use a pencil, line up this magazine notch here. And just wrap that around exactly like it will be upon install. And what we'll do, you can kind of see the inside of the tape here, and we're just going to trace that outline. We can do this a number of ways, but this is how we like doing it in the shop for our customers. And same thing other side. Okay. So now you can see, straighten this back out. You can see that cutout that we're going to now have to trim, and then we're going to have a perfect template able to use on our 1911 here. Just grab a pair of scissors. They don't have to be anything fancy, but make sure you have really good high tolerances, because it is a heavy-duty tape that we use here. Let me just cut along the dotted line. Alright, so we got one side done. Okay, the second side done here. So before we start messing around and actually getting this on there, let's go ahead and double check the fitment. Because once you get this on, it's going to stay on, or you're going to ruin it. So we go ahead and wrap it around. We have pretty much a perfect fit all the way around. As you can see, there's going to be a little gap right there, but that's going to be covered by your grips when we're all finished. So now we're going to go ahead and peel away the backing now that we have our shape correct. Just nicely lay that on there here. Go ahead and do one side first, make sure everything matches up how we want. Okay, everything looks pretty good. It's okay to take your time when you're doing this stuff, because we want everything to be flawless. And that way when your grips go right over the top of it, it's just going to look really sharp. And that's kind of what sets the Ankert Customs front strap apart from everything else you see there. So you're not going to have any edges that are going to be able to get caught and rip this stuff off. Just make sure there's no air. And it just wraps continuously around. That's our goal here. Okay, so now you can go ahead and see you now have an Ankert Customs front strap on here. A lot less work than going out and messing around with a bunch of materials yourself. It lines up perfectly, do some slight trimming. And the only thing left to do is get your side plates back on here. Okay, so now you can see we have the side plates completely assembled. They go directly over the top, so you don't have any edges that can be caught or anything like that. You're pretty much good to go. So now you have a nice textured front strap. It's made by a high quality, thick textured plastic, not the regular sandpaper that you see out there that tears and rips apart. You can't even tear this stuff. So that's the quality of Ankert Customs, and probably one of the best alternatives for a smooth front strap that you can buy. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and purchase any of our products at ankertcustoms.com or gungriptape.com. Feel free to email us with any questions, concerns, or even if you'd like to see any type of new products. We always like the input. So thank you guys for watching.